There are a few things to take note of before we get started. This tutorial is for Epson L6580. This is where the ink goes. And we have the 4 ink bottles that you will need here. The cool thing about this model is it has not just one paper tray, not 2, but 3. All the paper trays are adjustable to suit the size and type of paper media you are using. The printer is able to utilize 4R to A4 size with 250 sheets of paper per tray. For refilling, it is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Take a look. Once the indicator is full, remove the ink cartridge and close the opening. After refilling, you can start up the printer. Woohoo! When you first start the printer, you will need to indicate the region you are in, toggle the daylight saving, if applicable, select the date format and input the current date. Next, set the time format. Input the current time and watch it lock in. Oh wait, what's this? Right, make sure the transportation lock is in print position, then press and hold OK for 5 seconds. After initializing, it will showcase the settings for all 3 of your paper trays. You can also set the fax settings, but we do not need it for now. Click on the Wi-Fi setup as shown. Click on Router, Start Setup, and Wi-Fi Setup Wizard. Find your router name. Click that and enter your password. Once done, you will see 2 pop-ups which you can dismiss. To scan and print dual side, just place the document on the auto document feeder and choose the correct setting, mono or color, and print single or double side. Select print. Ta-da, the exact same copy. A4 plain paper steps. Remember to make sure the printer setting matches to the paper in your paper tray. Oh no, I spilled some water on the paper. Oh, what is this? The ink is not smudging. It is water resistant. For our photo paper, preferably matte material. Same thing as before, adjust the tray and printer setting to the paper size and type. A4 sticker paper. Advisable to use the rear tray and make sure that the peelable side is facing up. A4 transfer paper. Ensure the printing side is facing down. Side note, you can set favorite settings if you constantly use the same size and type of paper. To scan on the Epson Smart Panel App, Click on Scan and ensure that the following are your desired settings. If so, tap that green button below. Scanning, 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 done. Give your new scan a name. Let's call mine Scan. Save it and you are good. Easy peasy. To print a photo on the Epson Smart Panel App, click on Print and Photo. Select your photo, and before you print, tap the settings icon bottom left. Check to see if the settings matches your need, especially paper size, media type, paper source. Once done, tap the purple bar below. Click the print button and you are good to go.